Welcome to the world of precision diagnostics. From Agape, India's trusted diagnostics brand, we present the Mispa HX35, a smart, compact, and powerful three-part hematology analyzer. Designed for modern labs, the Mispa HX35 delivers complete blood count results with speed, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. With a throughput of 72 tests per hour, it fits seamlessly into busy diagnostic environments. Ease of use is the face of Mispa HX35. With a large touchscreen display and simple icons, operation becomes effortless. It supports whole blood and pre-diluted modes with minimal sample volume of just 8.5 microliter for whole blood and 20 microliter for pre-diluted mode. Powered by advanced transducer impedance counting technology, the Mispa HX35 ensures high accuracy and precision, made possible with its ruby aperture. With internal preheating of diluent, each test is optimized for accuracy. The Mispa HX35 features a high-precision syringe with auto-clog removal and real-time error alerts. Internal and external probe cleaning ensures system hygiene and consistent output. The Mispa HX35 features a dedicated switch for dispensing diluent in PD mode. Up to 10 lakh results can be stored on board, complete with histograms, and are ready for immediate access at any time. The intelligent software ensures ease of use with multiple quality control modes, customizable reporting, and seamless HL7 integration with LIS and HIS systems. Connect barcode scanners, printers, and USB drives with ease. With its two RFID-tagged reagents, diluent and lyse, the Mispa HX35 ensures low reagent consumption, seamless operation, and enhanced workflow efficiency. Gain comprehensive insights with 24 hematological parameters, including valuable indices that support confident clinical decision-making. Join the future of diagnostics with Mispa HX35. Mispa HX35, bridging innovation with precision.